What's up guys, it's Jake, not your average tech dad. I just traded a 22 rifle for a boat. So let's see what we got and check out my new project. Stick around. Alright, so I got a 1994 Bayliner Jazz. It is a little jet boat with a little 90 horsepower Mercury sport jet motor. So let's take off the cover and check out the condition of it.
Alright, as you can see when I'm taking off the cover, the boat is in pretty good condition for being 26 years old. There's a few scrapes, dings, and quite a bit of oxidation, which hopefully will come off with some buffing. The stickers are faded, they aren't peeling, so it's not a big deal. The little rubber bumper probably won't ever come back to full life, but I probably could get it looking better. But everything's here, it's a complete boat. The seats are extremely faded and falling apart, the foam on them, so I'll probably have to replace that. But yeah, overall, no leaks, no major cracks, no major scratches or dents or anything major. It does have a bimini top, and the motor bay is extremely clean. For 26 years old, I wouldn't expect much for a motor bay, but this one looks pretty fresh. Starts and stops fine, goes into gear. Yeah, it's a great boat, so we'll see where it takes us.
Alright, as you can see, the boat's in pretty good condition. There's a little bit of fading, oxidation. I mean, there's not much you can expect for the trade that I made. I traded a $300 to $400 gun that's a Smith & Wesson M&P 1522 for a boat, a trailer with a clean title, hopefully. And the trailer has new tires, the motor runs, it floats, and doesn't leak from what I've seen in the pictures. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this registered and insured. And then we'll go ahead and do the first lake test, so stick around for the series. I'm going to be fixing this thing up and making a fun family toy. Peace!